In this video, I'm going to show you what actually happens in your body when you eat eggs every day, not just protein, but muscle, appetite, and body weight. Most people are using eggs in a way that limits their benefits, while eggs can help you with weight management and muscle size, and I tell you why and how in this video. By the end of the 7 parts of this video, you'll understand how eggs affect muscle signaling, hunger, and weight, and how to use eggs properly in your daily diet to get better muscle support and better weight control, without cutting foods you still need. Eggs are considered a high-quality protein because they contain all essential amino acids in a form the body can easily absorb. 3 eggs provide around 18 to 20 grams of protein, including leucine, an amino acid that helps trigger muscle protein synthesis. This signaling effect matters for people training or exercising and adults over 40, where muscle loss slowly accelerates. Eggs help send the signal to repair and maintain muscle, but they are not a complete muscle strategy on their own. Eating eggs every day is very effective for maintaining muscle mass. Muscle building, however, depends on total daily protein intake, spreading protein across meals, and mechanical load from movement or resistance training. Eggs help protect muscle, especially as we age, but muscle growth still requires enough total protein and regular stimulus. This is where eggs matter for weight control. Protein slows digestion and increases fullness hormones. When people eat eggs, they often feel satisfied for longer and snack less later in the day. That's why eggs are commonly associated with better appetite control, especially when eaten at breakfast. Eggs don't cause weight loss by themselves, they help by reducing hunger and overeating, when used correctly. Eggs contain no fiber. If eggs start replacing fruit, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, then gut health, cholesterol handling, and metabolic health can gradually suffer. This is where daily egg habits quietly go wrong, not because of eggs themselves, but because of what eggs replace. Eggs work best with fiber, not instead of it. Eggs are one of the richest dietary sources of choline. Choline supports nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and brain function. This is especially important for older adults, people with low appetite, and those not eating much animal protein. This benefit is often overlooked, but it's one of eggs' most valuable contributions. As we age, muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, becomes a real risk. Eggs help by providing easy-to-digest protein, delivering nutrients in small volumes, and supporting muscle maintenance. But preventing muscle loss still requires adequate total protein, regular movement, and dietary variety. Eggs help, but they don't replace the bigger picture. Eating eggs every day works best when they're part of a mixed meal, fiber is present, protein is spread across the day, and overall diet variety is maintained. Problems rarely come from eggs themselves, they come from monotony and imbalance. Eggs are an efficient protein source, helpful for muscle maintenance, supportive for appetite and weight control, and beneficial for brain and nerve health. But no single food builds health on its own. Eggs work best as a foundation food, not the entire structure. Follow for further health insights.